Alright, this is a drawer guide I'm going to attempt to repair. But you'll see it's got a little, it's pretty wore out. I don't know if there's a whole lot I can do with that because it is pretty wore out. But it's supposed to be round and it's got a big old dip out of it on this side, and the drawer keeps as your drawer slides in and out, it keeps coming off that little old track, and I'm assuming it's coming off that little deal. So my wife came up with the idea of maybe putting some JB Weld on there and making it round again, and that won't help the part where it's wore out, but it may help it to stay on the track till I find one at Lowe's. So I have some JB Weld, so that's what we're gonna try. JB Quick is what I'm gonna use. JB Quick, JB Weld, and this is the hardener. You're supposed to use equal parts, but I don't need a whole lot, so I'm just gonna use a little bit of hardener, a little bit of metal, and we're gonna mix it up. It's kind of JB Quick because it sets up quick, so that's a good thing. All right, now we're gonna attempt to do this without doing too much damage, and then we can sand it off. Sand it off when it dries, after it dries. And I'm going to hold it upside down and let it dry for a couple of minutes, and maybe it will be in pretty good shape. I'm going to turn it that way and let it drip. It drips anywhere to drip down. Actually getting hard. Yep. As it gets hard, you can kind of shape it in the shape that you need on a JB Weld, but you want to do it before it dries. You don't want it to dry on the inside there. So. Alright, it's on there, and it's covered up it's a little more round now, so we'll see when it dries. I'll sand it off a little bit, or use a file and file it off a little and try to make it a little more round than it was. And then we'll go from there. As soon as it dries, we'll be back. Alright, we're back, and this thing is dry to the touch now. It's not, I can't do a whole lot with it, but it looks good, and it looks close to being round. And so it shouldn't just pop out of there anymore. But I'm thinking about putting a little more around this side over here. Just to build it up a little bit, because you know it's wore out. I'm going to put a little extra hardener on this one, just because it hardens quicker. And I was flip-flopping it around trying to get it to harden while I was trying to keep it in a round position, I guess. So what I'm going to do is just add some to the other side here. And hopefully this will harden a little quicker. Alright, back at it. It's dry to the touch now. It's not completely round anymore, but it doesn't have any flat spots on it, so still loose as a goose, but if I can shape it round, get it back on the drawer, put a little WD-40 on it, and see if it stays in the track. Well, did a little shaping. It doesn't look pretty, but it's pretty round. There's no big chunks out of it anymore. Haven't let it dry enough. I'll let it dry until tomorrow, because that JB, I don't know how long it takes before you can actually use it, but actually I think it will stay in that track and not jump out like it was before on that flat place. And if that's the case, then that's all I'm doing to it. Right. Anyway, after further inspection, I got the wheel back on the back of the drawer with the screws that came out of it. Turns out that this wheel needs to be about right here. So I need to scoot it over, maybe a 1/4 inch, to line this up with the track. It's out of line. Thus, every time it got to that point on that flat part of that wheel, it would yank it out. So I need to move the whole assembly over this direction. Maybe a 1/4 inch. Then we'll see how it works. All right. See you later. All right. Let's see here. You can see, there's the old screw holes, and see where it's at now. So I scooted over about 1/4 inch, and now it should be even with my track, and we'll go in the house and test it out. Well, yeah, it's back in here, and it's sliding in and out good, and it's not falling out of the track. So yeah, I'd say that's works like a new one. Well, works like a repaired one. All right, that's it.